Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Chanel, and today's video will be about how I get my fringe or wispy bangs. You will need a comb, scissors, and a hair clip. I also use flat irons, so just have those on hand. I'm going to start out by parting my hair directly in the center. Make sure you get this part as straight as possible because this will be the part that guides your bangs. Make sure your bangs are even on each side, so make sure you just take your time and get your part as straight as possible. So once I get my part straight, I'm just going to take sections of the front of my hair and I'm going to flat iron it out. I just like to press it so it could be as straight as possible, so when I cut, the cut could be accurate. So I just want to let y'all know that I am not a licensed beautician. I do not claim to be. I am just one woman who decided to come on camera and show y'all how I cut my bangs. You want to make sure you take your time. You want to make sure that you measure twice and cut once, because once you take it off, once you cut it, you can't get it back, and we do not want to be out here looking like a meme. Okay, so now that I'm done with my disclosure, I'm just combing the hair in my face and I'm letting the part guide me. Once I get the hair in my face, I'm just going to make 2 triangles, one on each side of the part, and I'm going to try to make these as symmetrical as possible. That's why you want to be sure in the beginning that your part is as straight as possible, because these are your guidelines. And once I get my part as even as possible, I mean my little bang as even as possible, I'm going to clip my hair back and I'm going to start to cut. I'm going to take the hair and twirl it and cut below my nose. Yes, I know this is extremely long, but I would rather cut long and trim it up. So after I do that, I'm just going to go through and bump it with the flat irons one more time so I can get a gist of how everything is looking. And once I do that, I'm going to take half of that triangle and I'm going to start cutting in the upwards motion with my scissors, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And I'm going to keep repeating these steps until I get my desired length. And yes, in between this, you're going to see me combing my hair out, bumping it just so I can see how it's going to look. It's very important that you take your time. This is tedious. There are no shortcuts. There are no tricks. You will have to slow down, take your time, and cut and bump. Cut, bump, comb. Cut, bump, comb. That's what we're doing, okay? Cut, bump, comb. And if you do it like this, your bangs will be banging. But if you try to cut a lot off at one time, I'm pretty sure you won't be happy. So just take your time, breathe, it'll be okay. You know, listen to some Beyonce. I would say have a glass of wine, but we do not want to do this drunk. So stay sober and just take your time and it will come out lovely. I'm just going to let y'all sit and watch me finish this and I will be back. And now I'm officially a part of the Bang Gang. Comment down below and let me know how you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Turn the notification bell. And I will see y'all in the next video. And please don't comment on my dancing because I know I am very unseasoned.